Hello, my name is Ashwini, an artist from India. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to paint this sunset landscape. The color we need are ultramarine blue or Persian blue, orange. Here I have mixed vermilion red and Indian yellow, alizarin crimson or burnt sienna and black color. Here I am using the book from Aish Paper. It's 270 GSM 100% cotton book. It's absolutely great book for watercolors. So we will have a simple sketch, a horizon line and a small branch to indicate the tree. So let's apply water to the whole of the paper. Now I am adding ultramarine blue to the top part of the sky, not to the whole sky part, and also to the bottom part of the river, top part and the bottom part. So I am removing the hairs there, but I want a smooth length, so I am just removing those hairs. And now let's take orange color and add to the middle part. So here try not to mix these blue color and orange color. It might create a muddy color. So we will add a little more orange color to the river part. I'm increasing the intensity of the blue color on the top part as well as the bottom part. I want a little darker color towards the top and also towards the bottom line. Here I am using orange color and adding thin lines on the water, like very thin lines. That's the reason I am using the detailing brush here. You can use any pointed tip brush there. Now using ultramarine blue, let's add thin lines to the blue region as well. So right now I'm adding very little lines like here and there. It might look a little messy, but once it dries off, we'll add more lines and more depth to the water region. Now let's wait for it to dry. So now it's completely dried. So let's add the foliage. I'm using paints grey for the foliage part. You can use black or black gouache is also fine. So now let's complete the foliage part. Let's use alizarin crimson to add more depth to the water. You can use burnt sienna as well. So now let's paint the tree part. Same, I'm using paints grey here. You can use black. I am using a detailing brush here, so the lines are like more like very thin, and it looks much better when it's thin. You can use any brush which has a pointed tip to it. To create more depth and beauty to the painting, let's add birds to it. Now, as it is completely dried, let's remove the masking tape and just look at our painting. Wow, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I can't wait to see all of your recreations. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're sharing it in your Insta handle, don't forget to tag me. Thanks once again. See you next time with another tutorial. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.